IFPC Disability Insurance Denmark app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Disability Insurance Denmark app is built to give you full control over your disability coverage. Many assume it's only a policy viewer, but it also allows claim submission, premium tracking, and instant access to detailed policy information. Claims management is one of the app's strongest features. You can upload forms and documents, track your claim in real time, and receive notifications at every step. Premiums are easy to monitor with reminders for upcoming payments and full access to payment history. Policy details, including coverage limits and benefit amounts, are always accessible. Convenience is another key benefit. Updating personal details or making minor policy changes can be done directly in the app without needing to contact customer service. On the downside, the app requires a stable internet connection for most features, and performance may slow when uploading large files or accessing older claims. Advanced planning features like income replacement calculators or long-term projections are not included, which may limit more detailed financial planning. In conclusion, the IFPC Disability Insurance Denmark app is a reliable and user-friendly tool for managing disability coverage. Its main strengths include streamlined claims handling, clear premium tracking, and accessible policy information. While it lacks advanced planning tools, it provides all the essential features to confidently manage your disability insurance.